Hi, my wonderful people. Happy New Year to all of my fans. Happy New Year to all my subscribers. Do you really want this year to be the best year of your life? Do you really want this year to be a year that people will celebrate you? Do you really want this year to be a year of your achievement? A year that all those dreams, all those things you prayed for come to pass? A year that you will live to count your blessings? Then if some of all those things I just said earlier are things you wish yourself this year, more achievement, more money, more wealth, more connection, then I want you to watch this video from beginning to the end. And believe you me, if you can follow this little recipe that I'm about to teach you now, follow it from the end to end and do it, believe you me, you're going to live to be celebrated. Now all you need to do this ritual is you get a padlock. You need a padlock for this ritual. Once you have a padlock, you need to buy coconut. Then what you do is when you're starting this recipe, before you get this padlock, on a place where you want to buy this padlock, you're not going to price it. So you just come to a place where they're selling padlock, point the one, any of those padlock, the ones you like, any size is good for this ritual. You point the ones you like, how much is this padlock, any amount they tell you, as long as you have the money, don't price it, just buy it. The same thing applies to the coconut. When you want to buy the coconut, don't price it, just buy it. Then what you do is when you go home, when you reach your house, get water in a bucket of water. Fill a bucket of water, a bucket that you know that you always use to take your bath. If possible, you buy a new one. Buy a new bucket of water, fill it with water, break that coconut, add the water from that coconut into that bath water, into that water you already have inside of bath water. Once you add it, carry this key, put it inside that bath water, unlock it and put it inside that bath water. Once you're done, add small salt inside that bath water as well. Put your two hands inside that water. Pray about every good things you want in your life. Decree upon yourself that today you are opening every door of success in your life. Today you are opening every door of achievement. That today you wish yourself that this year 2026 is going to be a year of progress. That the coming year is going to be a year of progress. That today that you are counting your blessings. That today you are opening every door of success in your life. Today you are opening every door of progress in your life. Remember, while you are saying all those prayers, these items are already inside as water. This key is in that water. You've already put the coconut water inside the water as well. You've already added salt inside that water as well. While you are praying those prayers, your two hands are supposed to be inside that water. You're supposed to be naked in your bathroom while you're doing this. Your two hands are going to be inside that water while you're saying all those prayers. After saying all those prayers exactly the way you want it and wishing yourself all the good things you want this year to bring to your life, open this key, open this padlock, open it like this. You see how my own is. Once you open this padlock like that, leave this padlock inside that water and start using that water to bath. As you are bathing, be repeating those things. As you are bathing, be praying that today all your doors of progress has been opened. Today all my door of achievement has been opened. Today all my door of total breakthrough has been opened. This year I will be celebrated. After taking your bath, don't towel your body immediately. You wait for like 30 minutes before toweling your body. Then after that, this key, you're going to remove it, keep it to a place where nobody can lock it. Keep it on a safe place where it can never be locked. The remaining water that you have in your bucket, if there's any, you pour it outside. But if there's not any, just keep this key on a very safe place where nobody is going to touch it, where it can never get locked again. Now this key that you're seeing here, then you can throw it on a very different, you can throw it inside a floating river. But if you're living in an environment where you don't have a floating river, just keep all of them in a very safe place where nobody will touch it again. Believe you me, if you can follow this ritual, if you can just do this once, believe you me, before the end of this year, you'll have a testimony to give. Before the end of this year, you'll be celebrated. Every single word that comes out of your mouth while you're doing this will surely come to pass. Thank you and God bless you. I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe if you love my videos, and if you want to see more of these videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on the notification so that whenever I bring another epic video like